Nestled in the heart of Germany, Kaiserslautern is a city that combines history and modern vibrancy. With plenty of things to see and experience, Kaiserslautern guarantees to be a memorable escape. So if you're around Germany and are not sure if Kaiserslautern should be included in your itinerary, keep watching because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Kaiserslautern. Kaiserslautern city center is compact and best explored on foot. This allows you to fully appreciate the historical architecture, quaint shops, and vibrant street life. The city has an efficient public transportation system, including buses and trains, which can conveniently take you to various attractions. One of the best spots in the city is the building that is most iconic and sits in the beating heart of Kaiserslautern's Old Market Square. The Stiefkirche is not only the oldest church in Kaiserslautern, it's the oldest Gothic hall church between the Rhine and Saare rivers. Created from the red sandstone mine in the area, the church was constructed in the mid-13th century and the foundations of the 12th century monastery and hospital commissioned by Emperor Friedrich I Barbarossa. The square or Platz in front of Stiefkirche has some interesting history of its own. Within the square, you can avail yourself of the many awesome outdoor cafes and restaurants. Next is the St. Martin's Platz, located right in front of St. Martin's Church. At the center of the square is a fountain Brunnen, one of the beautiful fountains in the city, which was built at the end of the 19th century. It features a column with 4 white swans as a water spouts. Above the upper fountain level is a little cherub. Rising above the city center is the Marienkirche, a magnificent Roman Catholic church in Kaiserslautern. It is a beacon of architectural splendor and historical significance. With its towering spire reaching an impressive height of 92.5 meters, it stands as the tallest building in the city center, captivating both locals and visitors alike. The original stained glass windows depicting various German saints and scenes from Mary's life were destroyed in 1944 air raid. The organ inside the church was inaugurated on February 26, 1905 and continues to play a vital role in the church's musical life. In Kaiserslautern, there is a lovely pedestrian area. All the nationwide chain stores you'd expect and a variety of options for dining make it easy to spend plenty of time in the compact city center. The K in Lautern shopping mall, with spacious architecture stretching across 4 floors, offers a variety of stores ranging from high-end fashion to local crafts. Indeed, this city not only captivates with its storied past and lively present, but also beacons with the promise of new discoveries and memorable moments. So if you're planning your next adventure, consider Kaiserslautern a hidden gem that promises an unforgettable experience filled with history, culture, and countless fun facts. I hope that this video will help you appreciate the city even more. Before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, choose
Mm-hmm.